Hi guys, Yassuz here. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to install custom boot animation in any Oppo devices. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to tell you that all the download links of custom boot animation are in the description, so you can download it from the link given in the description. And these all boot animation are ported by me, so do not try any other boot animation as it will result a black screen. Now just open ES File Explorer and navigate to the downloaded bootanimation.zip file. Now select the bootanimation.zip file and press the copy button. After pressing the copy button, just go to Device, System, Media, then Boot Animation and now paste it. Then press Overwrite. Now everything is done, you just need to reboot your device to see whether the boot animation is working properly or not. You can see here guys that the boot animation is working very fine, smoothly and perfectly. If you found any new boot animation and want me to port it for you, then just comment its link in the comment box. I will port it for you and put the link in the description. There is good news for all Oppo tutorial users. I'm just working on the latest ColorOS OTA and trying to modify it to add some great new extra features.